Hey fashionistas, John Bead has the most beautiful flat back gems that look amazing on just about everything. And with the right adhesive, you can put them on your car, a sweatshirt, or even a dog collar. Today, I'm creating an 80s inspired crystal Harlequin cuff using crystalline rhinestone trim and flat back gems in all different colors. Are you ready? Let's get making. The Harlequin character is from Commedia dell'arte, a 16th century Italian theater movement. Harlequins were witty, mischievous clowns, and their early costumes were sewn together from fabric scraps. Over time, the diamond pattern became associated with Harlequins. Rhinestones, crystals, and flatbacks go back to the 1200s, where they were first made from Czechoslovakian or Bohemian hand-blown glass. Don't worry if your glue is a little bit gloppy. After about an hour, it will dry completely flat and clear. Flat back stones get their sparkle from the mirror foil. The light enters the stone and bounces back through the facets, creating the sparkle. The clearer and the sharper the cut glass, the greater the light's reflection or sparkle. I'm gonna leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I promise to get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like The Big Ass Book of Bling, and I will see you real soon. Bye.